Hi everybody, it's Ed from Over the Hills, and this is a little bonus video for you to give you a tip for cooking. These little stoves, they're pretty amazing. They work great, but there's one problem. The oven has a hot spot in it. We found out the hard way by first time we tried to cook a pizza. It burns the bottom before anything else of the pizza's cooked. And we fiddled around trying different temperature settings, and nothing worked. Other people have used cast iron in the bottom because the problem is that it's just got a hot spot and it heats the oven too quickly. You got holes in there that you don't want to cover up. I didn't want to use cast iron because cast iron is heavy. Who wants to add weight to their trailer when you're dragging it around? Other people have used a pizza stone. I didn't like the idea of a pizza stone. My experience with pizza stones in a conventional oven at home has been that it takes a long time for them to heat up, and propane, I don't want to use any more propane than I need to either. So what are you going to do? Well, I went to Walmart and I found this little guy. It's the right dimensions. It fits, doesn't block any of the holes, and I just laid it in the bottom. It's made out of aluminum, and it's got a non-stick coating because it originally was a pan. I just took the handle off of it, put some tape so I don't lose the screw, and throw that in a drawer and keep it around in case I ever want to use this as a pan. But this is tried, true, and tested. We've cooked pizza since having bought that and thrown it in the bottom. Cooked wonderfully even. Solved the problem. And it's lightweight. And I can also reattach the handle if I want to and use it in a conventional fashion. So that's a good tip. And you can see, look at the bottom of that. That's how hot that spot gets. So that's how I solved that. I think I had mentioned it before, but real quick, we've had problems with our light for the hood range, and I fiddled with the thing. Short of getting a new fixture to try and get it fixed, it's not working. So the solution was Walmart once again, and we got these little puck lights, touch off and on, and it lights up. You're not going to see much of a difference because I got other lights on in here for the recording. But anyway, those are the tips. I hope you enjoyed the little extra bonus video. If you haven't and you like what we're doing, we'd love to have you subscribe. And any questions or comments you have or suggestions, I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you down the road and over the hills.